Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country here with our Ford Bronco. Now this Bronco is a beast on the trails. Only a couple of things I would address and we're going to today. One of those is going to be the factory muffler. It's bulbous, it limits your departure angle, and we're going to take care of it with Rough Country's Muffler Delete Kit. Now the kit is nice and simple, as it should be. It's a stainless steel mandrel bent pipe that's got a heat resistant black tip. It also includes your hanger and all the hardware necessary. Not only is this going to improve our departure angle, it's also going to free up the exhaust for better performance and an overall better sound. We're simply going to unbolt the factory bumper, remove it from its hangers, and install this kit. So our exhaust hanger is going to mount here in these existing holes on the rear cross member. We're going to feed these bolts through, secure them with these washers. They're going to stick out. I'm going to add the hanger, 2 flat washers, 2 lock washers, and 2 nuts. Now that we have the hanger mounted, it's just a matter of installing the pipe and the rubber isolator. And that's all it takes to install the Muffler Delete Kit for the Ford Bronco. The installation is so simple, you can bolt it up, hit the trails, then come back home and reinstall your factory exhaust for your daily commute. Now let's get it down off the rack, fire it up, and hear the difference. So if you've got a Ford Bronco and you're looking for one product that's going to increase its ability, performance, and sound, you're looking for Rough Country's Muffler Delete Kit. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.